First question, the static electric field in a conductor is 0. So answer here is A. The static electric field in a conductor is 0. Answer is A. Second question, if V, W, Q stand for voltage, energy and charge, then V can be expressed as, that is dV, that is equal to dW divided by dQ. Differential function of W and Q. So here the answer is C. Third question, which of the following equation represent the Gauss law in a homogeneous isotropic medium? That Gauss law in a homogeneous isotropic medium. Answer here is A. Double integral of d vector into ds, that is equal to triple integral of rho into dv. So here the answer is A. And next question, given a vector field F, the divergence theorem state that that is equal to, that is vector field F, that is equal to volume integral of the divergence of this same vector field F. So this is a volume integral of divergence of this vector field F. So here the answer is A. Fifth question, divergence of the three-dimensional radial vector field F is, that is 3. That is three-dimensional radial vector, that is I, jk, that is 1. So adding 1 plus 1 plus 1, we will get 3. So three-dimensional radial vector field F divergence is, answer is 3. A is the answer. Next question, a solid sphere made of insulating material has a radius R and has a total charge Q distributed uniformly in its volume. What is the magnitude of dielectric intensity E? Electric field intensity E. Magnitude of the electric field intensity E, that is E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into charge, here the charge is QR, divided by R cube. So this is the electric field intensity equation E, that is 1 by 4 by epsilon naught QR divided by this radius capital R, so R cube. So here the answer is A. Seventh question, 3 charges plus Q, Q plus Q are placed respectively at distance 0, t by 2 and d from the origin on the x-axis. If the net force experienced by plus Q placed at x is equal to 0 is 0, then value of Q is. So here that is this Q and Q, that is E value plus this Q and this Q and this Q divided by d by 2. The distance is d by 2. This one is 0. So d by 2 the whole square, and next force experienced by Q at place x is equal to 0. So solving this, we will get Q square divided by d square plus Q divided by and d square by 4, that is equal to 0. So Q square plus 4 Q divided by d square, that is equal to 0. So taking LCM, d square, Q square plus 4 Q, that is equal to 0. So Q square plus 4 Q, that is equal to 0. So taking Q out, this become Q plus 4Q, that is equal to 0. So we will get Q plus 4Q, that is equal to 0. By this, Q becomes 0 and this term also equal to 0. So by solving this, we will get Q is equal to minus Q by 4. So here the answer is D. Eighth question, voltage rating of a parallel plate capacitor is 500 volt. Its dielectric can withstand a maximum dielectric field of 10 power 6 volt meter per minus 1. The plate area is 10 power minus 4 meter square. What is the dielectric constant if the capacitance is 15 picofarad? So the dielectric constant, that is K is equal to CV divided by epsilon naught A into E max. That we know C is equal to K into epsilon A divided by D, and substituting D is equal to V by E, we will get this formula. and we know all the values. C is equal to 15 picofarad and V is equal to 500 and E max is 10 to the power 6 and A area is 10 power minus 4 and epsilon naught value. All values are given. By substituting all the value we will get K is equal to 8.5. So here the answer is B. Ninth question, the divergence of vector is a scalar quantity. So answer here is A. Next question, an electromagnetic wave incident on a perfect conductor is entirely reflected. So here the answer is C. It entirely reflected. The relationship between electric flux density and electric field intensity is, that is D is equal to epsilon into E. This one is electric field density and this one is electric flux density. So here the correct answer is A. The relationship between electric flux density and electric field intensity is D is equal to epsilon E. Final question, Maxwell curl equation for the static electric field E can be expressed as the curl of E that is equal to 0. So here the answer is A.